Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door stop in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 3/8 socket wrench and a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door stop. This door stop is located at the bottom of the fresh food door at the hinge side. It prevents the door from swinging open too far or slamming shut and hitting and damaging the cabinet and appliance itself. If the refrigerator door swings open or shuts with excessive force and won't stop before hitting cabinets or appliances next to it, check and replace the door stop. All right, to replace the bottom door stop, we can do it two ways. Either we can go from the top to bottom, taking the freezer door, then taking the fresh food door, or we can go from the bottom up, lift up the fridge, remove the bottom hinge, and slide the door off. I will show you how to do the sliding the door off from the bottom. We're going to use this 4x4, lift up the fridge slightly, and slide this right in the middle. Right now we need to remove this 3/8 of an inch screws. I'm using a socket wrench with a 3/8 head on. And I'm going to take them out. Now we're going to remove the bottom one. Be careful because the door is going to slide down slightly when we're going to loosen up that screw. It's a good idea if you'll have someone to hold on to the door while you're doing that. And also, we need to empty out the door completely, nothing on the shelves. See, the hinge goes down slightly. And we're going to take it out completely. So at this point, we need to get up and remove the door. All right, I'm going to open the door slightly and I'm going to let it slide down. Be careful. I would probably support it with a foot. I'm going to turn it, place it on this side so we'll have access to the door stop right there. And now we have these two Phillips screws that we need to take out to remove the door stop. So Phillips screwdriver, go to work. There you go. Now we're going to peel this film off. This is the old door stop next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Okay, let's place the new door stop on. Align the holes and put the screws in manually. And this one, just put it parallel to the door. Now I'm going to tighten with the Phillips screwdriver. Make sure that you tighten them real good. And now I'm going to install the door. I'm going to lift it up. I'm going to turn it on a dime. Don't do it if you have wooden floors. And lift it up. Right, so I'm going to lift it up, place it onto the hinge, and I'm going to close the door. All right, make sure the door is closed. And then we're going to go on the floor and install the bottom hinge. All right, so just to remind you, this is our 3 holes that we need to install the screws, the bolts. The hinge goes up this way. I'm going to place it into the opening in the door. I'm going to push it up to align the holes. And I'm going to install the
first screw. And I'm going to place another one and the third one. And I'm going to tighten them using that 3/8 socket wrench. Alright, now we've finished that. We're going to tilt the fridge back slightly and remove the block.
Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.